we have another example of a frames and arrow problem. In this particular case, we are given a number to start our frame, then no number in a frame, then we have a number in a frame, a number in a frame, and then several more blank frames. We are also missing the rule for this particular problem. If I look at my two numbers in the middle here, this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to say to myself, how do I go from 72 to 62? Well, my first thought is that my numbers are getting smaller. So that means I'm either subtracting or dividing. In this case, if I look at my tens place, I have a 7, and in my tens place, I have a 6. I know that I'm losing a 10 in each of these numbers when I go down. So that tells me I am subtracting 10. Now, in order to figure out this frame before my first number, my number here of 72, I then have to work backwards. So instead of subtracting 10, I'm going to add 10. So if I add 10 to 72, I get an answer of 82. So once I go to fill in my frame box, even though I worked backwards and added 10, I know that I have to put subtract 10 in my rule box because that is truly the rule that works with all of the arrows. You are now going to practice on your own. You're going to fill in number 3 on your video notes guide.